Since I'm working as a mechanical engineer for BigRep, I have the printers next to me. I have the design software available. So the first thing that crossed my mind was manufacturing musical instruments. So I designed the violin. The print took 24 hours or so. Afterwards, just took the body of the violin, no post-process, just assemble the parts. Violins today are made as they were made a few hundreds years ago. You know, they had wood carving tools. With the 3D printers, we have endless possibilities, freedom of design. It's a beginning of a lifetime of research, of new designs, new shapes, new sounds, new instruments even.